Hi, how you doing today? Happy Wednesday. Um, Last video math lesson from me for the school year. Crazy, 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 isn't it? So here we are. Last one. Are you ready? All right, you're going to need something to help you warm up. So paper, pencil, slate, marker, whatever you have handy. If you don't have those things, pause the video, go get it, and scurry on back, okay? All right, we're going to do another fact family as we did on Monday's lesson. So this day, I would say this week, today, doing something a little different. I have provided you with one of the factors and the product, but now we have to figure out what that other factor would be. So 7 times something will give me 21. Or I can think of it as a division problem. 21 divided by 7 is going to give me this missing product, or excuse me, missing factor. All right. All right. I'm going to pause the video while I do this work. You pause the video so that you can do this work and restart it back up when you're ready to check yours. All right. All right. Let's pause and do our work. Let's check real quick. Okay. You ready to resume? You ready to check your work with mine? All right. Let's do it. So we were left with trying to find out what that other factor was. 7 times what equals 21, or turn it around into a division problem. 21 divided by 7 equaled what? And I figured out that my missing number is 3. Missing number is 3. Right, so let's check your facts with mine. Remember, if you have them in a little different order, that's fine as long as you have the same answers. So my first two multiplication facts are 7 times 3 equals 21, and 3 times 7 is 21. If you have 3 times 7 is 21 first, no big deal. All right, let's look at the division. Division is 21 divided by 7 equals 3, and 21 divided by 3 equals 7. All right, our brain's nice and warmed up. We are ready to rock and roll. If you remember from Monday, I said that our math focus this week was time, using the concepts we know about time, that there are 60 seconds in an hour, and being able to add and subtract time. So you had an assignment with that on Monday, and we're going to work out 2 more problems today, very similar to what we've been doing. And you'll have another, an attached assignment today with some more problems for you to work on your own. So you'll want to keep your paper, pencil, slate, or marker so you can work along with me, and you're going to need it for the work portion so that you can work on and use the number lines or whatever strategy you're using. Okay, so you ready? Let's go. All right, so here's the first one. It says, start schoolwork at 9:45. So we're doing online school, and you get up and you start your school at 9:45 a.m. You stopped at 11:15 a.m. How long did you work? So today we're looking for this problem at the elapsed time. How much time did it take you? How much time went past or elapsed? On Monday's work, you were trying to figure out in an exact time. With this problem today, we're looking at more of an elapsed time. How much time went on? So we started at 9:45. So I'm going to put that at the start of my number line. And I know what time I end. I already know that. That's 11:15. I need to know how much time goes on in between here. So let's find out. So think about, I wish I had my clock here with me so I could be just demonstrating it with you, but it's in our classroom, unfortunately. So if we think about that though, 9:45, it's 15 minutes before 10. That's when my big hand, my minute hand would be on the 9. So I need 15 minutes until it becomes 10 o'clock. So I'm going to take that up to my next hour, which is 10 o'clock. And if I didn't know that 9:45 to 10 was 15 minutes, I could just simply think, how many minutes are in an hour? I'm hoping you're saying you're thinking 60. There's 60. So how much does it take me to go from 45 to 60? So 45, 55 is a 10, 60, 15 minutes. It's going to take me 15 minutes. So 15 minutes. So I'm at 10 o'clock. So now I'm at 10 o'clock. How much time is it going to take me to get to 11 o'clock? So my next time I want to get to is 11 o'clock. How big of a hop is it to go from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock? So if I'm at the o'clocks where my hands are meeting up at the 12, that's 1 whole hour. 1 whole hour, also 60 minutes. I'm going to write 1 hour. All right, so now I'm at 11 o'clock. I need to go from 11 o'clock to 11:15. How many minutes is it to go from 11 to 11:15? 15, correct? All right, so now I've broken this out on my timeline. I need to figure out how long all of those minutes and time are. So I have 15 minutes plus 15 minutes is 30 minutes plus an hour. So it took us 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes. We were working on some online school, which sounds about right. You're supposed to spend about 2 hours every day in online school. So sounds like this friend might be getting ready maybe to do an encore activity to finish up their day maybe. All right, let's take a look at the last question. It says online read aloud. Took 8 minutes. You paused it for 2 minutes. You started at 11:30. What time did it end? All right, so we've got some different data and minutes in here and time. So we have the whole thing took 8 minutes, which is about right. My read alouds usually are about 8 minutes. You paused it for 2 minutes. So maybe you had to get up and use the bathroom, or your mom was asking you a question or something. And you started at 11:30. What time did it end? So we have the starting time. So we're going to put that on our timeline. Put that. I want you to try this one with me, please. So make a number line. I want you to try this one with me. I want you to write 11:30. All right, the first question, the first increment of time was the whole thing, the actual read aloud took 8 minutes. So 11:30 plus 8. So 11:30 plus 8. So 30 plus 8 is what? Write it down. Hoping you wrote 11:38. But don't forget, the video took 8 minutes, but you paused it for 2 minutes. So you stopped it for a few minutes to do something. So you have to add 2 more minutes on there. So put plus 2 on your timeline. 38 plus 2. 38 plus 2 is, you're right, write it down. Let's see. I hope you wrote 11:40. 38 plus 2 is 40. So what time did read aloud end? It ended at 11:40. All right, so congratulations. This is your last math video lesson with me for the school year. Next week, I will be busy in our classroom packing up your personal items and packing up our classroom and getting things wrapped up for your families to come and pick up your things. So the district is going to be putting out some virtual field trips and things like that you are going to be doing. So you won't get any lessons from me directly next week. They'll be coming from the district. So congratulations. It's your last math lesson of 3rd grade. You did it. Now you have to do the assignment. It's still required. You got to do that assignment for me as soon as you complete it and hand it in. And if I send it back to you to make any repairs, as soon as you do those repairs, you are officially done with 3rd grade math. Congratulations. Have a good day. See you later.